Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how fast payments are processed by Starling Bank. Starling Bank is known for its speed, primarily because it uses the faster payments service for most domestic transfers. This means that payments typically arrive in the recipient's account instantly or within a couple of minutes. This service operates 24/7, so you can send and receive money at any time, including weekends and bank holidays. However, there are other types of payments that take longer. For example, BACS payments, often used for things like salaries and direct debits, usually take 3 working days to clear. Starling Bank will often show a pending BACS payment 1 working day before it's due to arrive in your account. When it comes to international transfers, the processing time can vary. This depends on the country, currency, and the delivery method chosen. For some international payments, it can take anywhere from 1 to 5 working days to arrive. So, while domestic payments with Starling Bank are almost always instant, it's important to remember that other types of transfers have different processing times. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.